Begin work with Object Repository. All deleted objects are stored in the Object Repository. This is a special repository that retains information about all objects during the test session. Each object belongs to the view, and each view belongs to the application. Each application can have more than one view and object. The GUI map is a visualization of the object repository for a single selected view. The Control tab on the left side gives you the opportunity to create new objects or change the old ones. To work on the script, begin working on the test scenario by selecting the objects. Put the objects into the script by dragging them from the Object Repository or the GUI map windows to the Script Editor control. After dragging the objects, select the action. This action will be applied during the script execution. Complete the script by adding all required objects into the script editor and applying methods according to the test case logic. Please refer to detailed information about all the methods on the ZAPTEST portal.